Alright, what's up guys? We're doing another unboxing, or not really an unboxing, but yeah, I guess unboxing because it's not a box, it's a bag. I bought the other set of Playboy sweats from Riff, LA. I paid $3.75 before tax. And these are a size medium, but I mostly just bought them to have the pair, because like I said before, I don't ever really see these anywhere, so this was the only pair inside there. They're pretty clean. They have some small stains, but I can mostly get rid of those just by going through like the wash. It's like a dirt stain, like here on one of the legs, but that's about it. These are way nicer than the white ones, way cleaner. Yeah, that's about it. I'm not doing a try on because they're a size medium and they like won't fit me right. They'll be pretty tight. So that's about it guys, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.